All right, top 4 stocks of the week in reverse order, and I'm keeping it tight. Number 4, FONR, Fonar Corporation. Volume, 1.1 million this week. This one flew a bit under the radar on headlines, but the tape tells a story. Notable interest, steady churn, and a tidy 1.1 million shares changing hands. I'm watching for catalysts, but for now, it's the volume that gets it onto the board. Number 3, CRK, Comstock Resources. Volume, $1.8 million. Mixed analyst coverage here. Consensus sits at reduce, with an average 12-month price target around 2060. But the latest print wasn't shabby. Q3 EPS of 0.09 versus 0.04 expected, and revenue at about $449.9 million topping estimates and up nearly 48% year over year. So sentiment's cautious, yet the fundamentals showed a pulse. Classic tug-of-war, macro gas prices and basin dynamics versus a cleaner-than-expected quarter. Number 2, FTAI Aviation. Volume, 3.4 million, big story. They've launched FTAI Power, taking CFM56 aircraft engines and converting them into turbines to feed data centers. Yes, the AI compute boom needs serious, reliable power. Production is expected to start in 2026, with capacity for 100-plus units annually. Shares have been lively, recently hitting an all-time high around $191 and up over 32% year-to-date, with revenue projections pointing to roughly $2.6 billion in 2025 and topping $3 billion by 2027, driven by the engines and MRO expansion. It's the intersection of aviation know-how and energy reliability for AI infrastructure. That narrative is resonating. And number 1, DBRG, Digital Bridge Group. Volume, 15.1 million. Here's the headline everyone chased. SoftBank announced a definitive agreement to acquire Digital Bridge for $4 billion. Terms, $16 per share in cash, a 15% premium to the 26 December close, and about a 50% premium to the unaffected 52-week average as of 4th December. Markets didn't wait. Pre-market saw DBRG rip to around $20.10 at one point, up roughly 44% from a $13.62 prior close. Remember, though, deals need approvals. This one is expected to close in the second half of 2026, subject to the usual regulatory conditions. So why the pop above 16s? Traders may be pricing in optionality, competing bids, revised terms, or just the data infrastructure premium narrative, but merger math can snap back. Timing and risk matter. Quick recap by volume. 1, FONR at 1.1 million, quiet on news, loud on tape. 1, CRK at 1.8 million, cautious analyst stance, but a clean earnings beat and strong YoY revenue. 1, FTAI at 3.4 M, AI power play with CFM56 conversions, production eyed for 2026, stock at highs. 1, DBRG at 15.1 ME, SoftBank's 4B buy drives the week's biggest surge, with deal terms at $16 cash per share. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not investment, financial, legal, or tax advice. Do your own research. All investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal.